well maintained and move-in ready. The main living area of this split foyer boasts an open floor plan that features a large bright living room that is sure to be the heart of the home. The living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen with attached dining area. Walk through the sliding glass doors, just off of the kitchen, onto a large deck which will be the perfect spot to wind down after a long day or to entertain family and friends. This home offers a split bedroom design, so the primary bedroom, with attached bathroom and large walk-in closet, is off to itself, giving the owner plenty of privacy. Down the hallway from the main living room, you will find 2 additional bedrooms, another full bathroom, and laundry area. Downstairs there is a large 2-car garage with interior access. The other side of the lower level has plenty of space that could easily be finished into additional bedrooms, game room, or family room. It even has the rough-in plumbing for a full bath. This home is in the South Berkeley community of Spring Hill, which is conveniently located close to several commuter routes.